Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago. Welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. Today, back by popular request, I have my mom, Angela. Say hello everybody, Mom.
Ciao a tutti e voglio bene a tutti. I love everybody. Ciao.
And Ma, what easy recipe did you bring us today?
Mamma mia, super easy. Pistachio sandwich cookies. And then, Rosa, we're going to dip them in white chocolate.
Wow, that sounds really complicated, Ma, but it's not, right?
Of course not. You kidding me?
Because you're doing it.
Oh, yes. The easy way out, girls. Always.
So, on this episode of Easy Way Out with Angela, we have these cookies that you didn't make these cookies, Ma.
No. I made your father useful, and I told them to go and buy them.
So she bought these cookies. Full disclosure, these are actually the Stella d'Oro Marguerite cookies, and they're kind of a butter cookie. They're really delicious. I grew up with Stella d'Oro cookies, like that, cookies and stuff. When Nonna didn't make them, once in a while, as a treat, we were allowed to buy them.
Yeah.
And we're just going to spread our handy-dandy pistachio spread on them, and then we're going to dip them in melted white chocolate. We're going to drizzle some crushed pistachios on top. Like, what could be better than that?
Oh, my God. They look so expensive, girls.
They do look expensive. Yes. So if you got to go to somebody's house, you want something to look kind of homemade, you can totally make these cookies, and everyone will be fooled.
Oh, yes. I fooled a lot of people with these cookies. I did. It's okay.
Mom, what are we going to do first?
Okay. We have to spread.
We're going to spread the pistachio spread.
Yeah.
So I got this a little warm in some warm water just to loosen it up a little bit. Otherwise, it could be a little too thick.
Yeah.
So just soak it in warm water and look at that beautiful color we got.
Wow.
And we're going to take a little coffee spoon, a little espresso spoon. We're going to start spreading. You really don't need too much.
No.
And we're going to make these bicolore. We're going to make these bicolor. But you could do chocolate on chocolate. You could do white on white, whatever you want to do. And this is just so it was easier to spread the pistachio cream. As it gets back to room temperature, it's going to be a little bit more solid. So don't worry about it.
No.
Okay, so now that we made our little sandwich cookies, we're just going to put them on a plate. And we're going to pop them in the fridge in case any of the pistachio spread is still kind of warm. We don't want them to move around too much.
Yeah.
Just a few minutes. And then in the meantime, we're going to melt the white chocolate.
Oh, yeah. We just add a teaspoon of vegetable oil. And then we're ready to mix. See how fast? And as soon as it melts, take it off the stove. You don't want the precious white chocolate to burn. Done. Wow. Oh, mamma mia. I will eat it all. I love white chocolate. Here you go. Ecco.
Okay, now it's time for the fun part, Mom.
Oh, yes. I love this part.
Okay, so now we can finally dip our cookies one side into the white chocolate. I'm going to get this out of here, sorry. Oh, wow, look at that.
Wow.
And as soon as they rest on the parchment, you want to go in with your pistachios. That looks good. Beautiful. Okay, I'll dip you. You sprinkle, Ma. All right,
Yeah,
deal?
They look so
Teamwork.
cupcakey. Look how rich they look, Rossella. They look good.
Beautiful, Ma.
Yeah.
Oop. That's all right. It doesn't have to be perfect. I got some chocolate on that one, but what are you going to do?
Yeah. So, you know, they're homemade. They can't be.
They're not exactly homemade. Ma.
Well, you know, but they don't have to look perfect. If they look perfect, people would think that I bought them. You know?
You did buy them.
Well, not the whole thing, bro.
But you did buy them. Ma.
Okay. Now you just have to wait for the cookies to dry.
Okay, so you can just let them kind of air dry, wait for the chocolate to harden. If you want this to go a little bit faster, you could have just placed the parchment on a baking sheet and then pop the whole baking sheet into the fridge until the chocolate hardens. I'm impatient, so I'm going to taste one now.
Me too, Rossella.
All
I
right?
can't wait.
A little melted chocolate never hurt nobody.
Oh, no, I love it.
Oh, wow. This looks so
Wow, so good.
So good, Ma.
See?
This is why all your friends beg you to make these cookies.
Oh, yeah,
I have
they
no
always
words.
do.
I'm speechless.
And the first time I'm revealing this secret. What are you going to do?
Now everybody knows you for your secret easy things.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, Ma, thank you for being here and sharing your secret of your pistachio sandwich cookies. I know everybody's going to love them. Everybody's going to love you. Guys, please comment how much you love my mother, Angela, because she doesn't believe me when I tell her.
Because you lie to me a lot. You know?
I don't lie.
Yes, you do.
That's not true. That's not true, Ma. Everybody loves you. I'm not lying. I swear to God on my life. Mwah.
If they love me, it's because I love everybody.
Bye, guys. We'll see you
Ciao.
next time.